Hey guys, Greg McLeod from Elite Traders University, and we are in the Aussie dollar again, selling it kind of slowly, kind of high. So we got an order here that's negative, but we're going to go ahead and close these up one by one, and hopefully we'll be able to just kind of close some of these out here, and then we got something down there, that Euro Swiss buy that I put out. Still working on that too, and I'm just going to take some of these off, right? And there we go. Okay, so we still got so there we go. We managed to double up this account, right? Very cool. All right, so 107,000. And yeah, a couple of positions there. So close them out in the negative, then we will still have close to over $100,000. But I'm gonna hang on to them for a little bit, and maybe we'll come back down. Okay. All right. Talk to you later. Peace and tips. Remember, we are taking applications for our next mentorship, so make sure that you sign up for a call to see if you're qualified, and then you can apply for our next mentorship. Talk to you soon. Cheers, bye. So, and then we, there we go. Again, we're gone. Bye.